Hi, my name is Mike Marinaro, and I'm a partner in Gross Mendelssohn's Technology Solutions Group. I've been working with ERP software for over 25 years, helping clients implement and get the most out of their accounting software solutions. It's basically the same as your on-premise accounting system that could handle warehouse management or your financial and accounts payable functions or billing functions, but it's hosted in the cloud. So instead of having on-premise hardware and software that you're working with, all of your software is based in the cloud and it's hosted by a provider such as Microsoft or Oracle or one of the other cloud solution providers. Cloud-based software is a little bit different than traditional software in that it's accessible basically from anywhere. So you can get to it through the internet. You don't have to have software installed. You don't have to have something on your computer, an application to be able to get to it. You can just open up a web browser or a mobile app on your phone or tablet and be able to get to that accounting software. It's also able to connect to other systems better because since it is in the cloud, the architecture of the internet allows you to pass data back and forth between your ERP software and maybe a third-party CRM system or a billing accounts payable automation system like Bill.com that you're able to use to integrate into your ERP software and make things more efficient. You also don't have any type of on-premise hardware or software to maintain. So you don't have to worry about doing server upgrades every couple of years or installing updates to your software when you need to do those. You have to have somebody come out and install the updates. With cloud-based software, those updates happen automatically, usually twice a year, sometimes more often than that. So you're constantly getting new features and your investment in your software is really working with you the entire time you have that subscription to that cloud-based software. So some of the advantages, again, to using a cloud-based system would be things like being able to get to it from anywhere, less IT costs because you don't have to maintain hardware on premise. You also don't have to do installs on client workstations and have to deal with that. People can get to the software from anywhere. And again, the cost of it is also a little bit different because you're moving from a one-time large outlay of funds to a subscription model. So you're paying for your software monthly or annually versus having to have a huge outlay of funds at one point in time. So one question we get a lot is when should you consider moving from an on-premise system to a cloud-based ERP system? And usually the answer for that is when you want to move to the cloud, it could be a couple of different reasons why you want to do that. So number one, it could be an initiative that you have with your company where you want to move everything to the cloud. You want to get rid of all of your on-premise hardware. You want to lower your IT costs because you no longer want to have to support that on-premise hardware. So it could be part of a company-wide initiative to move to the cloud, in which case you'd have to move your ERP software as part of that initiative. It could be something where you're trying to take advantage of some of the latest technology. So for example, if you are trying to use an AP automation tool or maybe a cloud-based CRM tool and it ties into a cloud-based software where it wouldn't work with your on-premise software. There may also be new features. Most of the on-premise systems, it's more difficult to do development for those. And so there may be new features that you want to take advantage of that you can't take advantage of with an on-premise system, especially in the areas of AI or some of the better business intelligence capabilities that are out there now for reporting and data analysis. The cloud-based systems have a lot of new features there. So if you want to take advantage of those latest features, that's probably a good reason to move to a cloud-based system.